to inform that we need to make bridges from our lifestyles. People that I talk to, they follow the raw vegan, raw vegetarian, healthy foods, diets. So the bridge from you to the politician in your town, the mayor, the politician in your country, in your zone, it's very important because alone this world can be in danger. So I tell you that it's very easy to create awareness through Instagram, in at least here in Europe or maybe in America. You can choose to make a publicity of maybe your diet or a recipe or maybe like a infographic showing the veganism and raw veganism that is the way to go or for the environment. You can publicize this post to your area or to the zones in the world that you want to publicize that for maybe 5 euros, 10 euros, 20 euros. And there is a conversion rate that you plant the seed in that person, because I have been watching the TV in the politicians in my country, and there is not much awareness of the real thing. The real thing is naturopathy. The real thing is raw vegan diets. The real thing is healthy living, exercising. The real deal is low energy consumption with low heat cooking. That means dehydrators. The real deal is capturing the water of the rains. The real deal is protecting the animals. The real deal is liberating the animals. That's when we cure the earth. And that can happen very quickly when we, as a unity, we cooperate to enlighten the planet Earth to a raw vegan, raw vegetarian diet, with naturopathy in the schools, with naturopathy in the universities, because that's when enlightenment happens, like Greece temples, and the Greek temples are like the icon of beauty. So we can recreate that in the modern times. So I tell you, meditate before doing a video. Meditate, make your life beautiful, make your life clean, cleanse your environment, cleanse your lifestyle, cleanse your house. Meditate, eat raw vegan foods, and talk to your neighbor, talk to the mayor, talk to the people near you. We need to transform the world because the world is in danger. I tell you, the world is in danger. We need to transform this world with naturopathy. So thank you.